Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the top stories. Cyclone affects North Goa, 10 trawlers missing, Coast Guard search and rescue operation on, power cut in South Goa as Kuti substation damages. Fayan cyclone weakens, cyclone bypasses Mumbai, Gujarat in no danger zone. Sanatan confesses use of condoms in ashram. Virendra Marathe says condoms are used but not in large quantity. Other Hindu outfits along with Sanatan likely to come under scanner in Madgaon blast investigation. GFA Secretary Savio Macias reveals development plans for Dhulev Stadium. Macias says plans on hold due to delay in land transfer. And National Games 2011 budget reduced to Rs 501 crore. Central team submits positive report to Planning Commission, says VM Prabhudesai. And now the news in detail. The cyclone in Arabian Sea due to low pressure belt has affected the coastal belt of Goa and Maharashtra. 10 trawlers and around 60 fishermen are still missing. Coast Guard search and rescue operation is on. Vasco, Bambuli, Hermal, Vagatar and Morji are the areas badly affected due to Fayan.
The cyclonic winds in Arabian Sea brush coastal Goa. Coast Guard is carrying search and rescue operations. The Coast Guard has informed that some fishermen and trawlers missing from Goa are traced near the coast of Malvan and Ratnagiri. Met scientists have named the cyclone as Fayan.
Whereas in Mandovi, only out of the 30 which were reported missing, 20 have contacted the society and 10 they have still not got any contact.
President of Mandovi Fishermen Cooperative Society, Menino Alfonso, expressed his annoyance with the Fisheries Department.
किया नहीं, पहला भी हमको ये ऐसा साइक्लोन होने का है भी हमको कुछ बोला भी नहीं कुछ.
Met Department earlier on Monday had informed government about the cyclone threat in Goa, but the message did not reach the fishermen timely. The fishing trip generally lasts for a week.
That is, their fishing trip is generally more than 7 days. 5 to 7 days like that.
The stormy winds created lots of inconvenience to people and huge property loss was suffered by the people in Mae. Gusty winds have affected 3 shacks at Vagator. However, Kalangut and Baga did not suffer much loss. In Dona Paula and Miramar, fishing nets and other fishing material is damaged.
वादळ हांगा जाल्यार आमचे पोन्यो फुटले पुतून नेट वेस्ट जाले सगळे खूब त्रास जालो आमकां
सगळीं व्हडीं काडपाक लागली उदकान आनी उदकाची हायट सादारण 2 ते 3 मीटर उंच इतके वयर येयली.
Due to this cyclone, one trawler coming from Tamil Nadu to Goa sank in Betul. People working on the trawler were rescued by workers in another trawler.
4:30 ती बोट स्पिडीन वारो येयलो पळय तेन्ना ती पात एक बुडी उबडी पडली तेन्ना ते 2 जाण बावडे तळाक पडले गोय तरी पूण ते वाटोवन सेव करून मागीर त्या दुसऱ्या पातीचेर ते चडले.
Some trawlers from Vasco Jetty venture to Malvan and Ratnagiri areas. Because of the rough sea, Marmakau port was closed for free flow of sea traffic.
आता त्याने न्यूज दिला ही बोट सारखी एंकर तुटला आणि इंजिन बंद पडलेलं.
Met Department had announced a cyclone alert for Goa and other coastal states on Monday. However, as the cyclonic winds move towards north, Goa is not severely affected. The gusty winds also affected other Konkan region of Maharashtra. These are the visuals of Ratnagiri where the fishermen are severely affected.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Fayan cyclone has weakened while on its way to Mumbai and Gujarat. Apparently, Met Department had informed that this cyclone might hit most terribly in some places of Mumbai, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. But Fayan bypassed Mumbai and Gujarat and Western India escaped the worst of the cyclone. Meteorological Department on Monday had issued a cyclone warning informing about the depression in Arabian Sea, which would get intensified into a cyclonic storm. The depression over southeast and adjoining east-central Arabian Sea moved northwestwards. Earlier, Gujarat was on a cyclone red alert, but on Wednesday, Gujarat escaped the worst of the cyclone. Till Wednesday afternoon, the climatic conditions in Mumbai were calm, but the city witnessed heavy rains, thereafter disrupting the rail and air traffic. Most of the offices and schools were closed following a red alert on cyclonic storm. The system moved northeastwards and North Maharashtra with a wind speed reaching 70 to 80 km per hour, gusting to 90 km per hour. The forecast is that though heavy rainfall in Mumbai may continue for next few hours due to weakening of the cyclonic activity, the storm is likely to die down before hitting Gujarat. This has been a sigh of relief for the Gujaratis and the Mumbaikas who spent sleepless nights on Tuesday after a red alert from Met Department. Earlier in the year, it was Ayla for eastern India. This time it is Fayan for west. Bureau Report, Prudent Media. The recent cyclone was identified as Fayan. Who names these natural disasters and what does the name mean? Why are they given names like Rashmi, Bijli and Laila? A report on the names of natural disasters.
Fayan is creating a havoc in western India. Cyclones like Nargis, Rashmi, Nisha, Bijli had also left many countries stunned and devastated. And who can forget Ayla's furor in North India? Previously, cyclones were not named, but this trend started in the 19th century. Australia started this trend and started naming such natural disasters after the names of corrupt politicians. Now, the latest in the list is Fayan, that is gusting and arising through the west coast of India. According to Dr. D. Chakrabarti, Additional Director General of Indian Meteorological Department, naming cyclones enables people to easily understand and remember it in a region, and to facilitate tropical cyclone disaster risk awareness, preparedness, management and reduction. Since 2004, 8 countries have faced 19 cyclones. Oman faced Sidr, Pakistan was hit by Nargis, Sri Lanka witnessed Rashmi, Thailand encountered Kaimak, Bangladesh was devastated by Nisha, and India was stunned by Bijli, and now it is Fayan. Names of the cyclones are sometimes suggested by people or Met Department does the needful. It is said that earlier Met Department used to name the cyclones after their former girlfriends or divorced wives. Names suggested by people are recommended to the Pacific Panel on Tropical Cyclones by the IMD. The list is ready and the cyclones are named as when they occur. The present disaster Fayan in Burmese means fruit of destruction. Definitely, Western India has tasted this fruit in the last 48 hours. A reporter from Panji, Paresh Varab.
Time for a short break. We'll be right back.